Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can calculate time in Google Sheet. So let's go to the browser and open the sheet. Here's my data. Now if you want to calculate this, you have to go here, format, click on number, go here, duration. Now if you want to calculate this, just double click and choose is equal button, and you have to click on D2 timeout to minus time in C2. Now if you click on enter button, you will see the result, 8 hours of works. Okay, so now if you want to calculate all of this together, you have to click on this cell and drag it down with the mouse, and you will find all of this together. Okay guys, so now if you want to sum all of this hours, you have to click on is equal to and write on sum, then first bracket, then choose all the cell you want to add. It already chosen E2 minus is2 E6, bracket close. Now if you click on enter, you will find the result. So guys, this is how you can change or you can calculate time in Google Sheet. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.